Hello everyone, I'm making another baby keepsake. Y'all, I just love making these. It's so fun bringing everyone's ideas to life. Let's get this started for baby H's mom. I have already sealed and prepped her pregnancy test and her hospital bracelets to be placed inside the mold. So I'm placing her pregnancy test in first because she did request for it to be on this side. Then I placed in her pacifier, which I accidentally did off camera because my brother called me, but you'll see me do it again later because I needed to add something else. Then I placed in all of the hospital bracelets. My customer sent 4 bracelets, but there wasn't any space left for it, so I had to send it back, unfortunately. My customer wanted her keepsake to resemble one I've previously made where the background was baby blue and it had dark blue glitter to make it pop. Now here I am adding the baby bracelet under the pacifier, and then I add the pacifier back in the same place. But then I decided, let's switch it to the other side so you could actually see the pacifier. I let all of this sit for about 6 hours, and then I come back and pour another clear layer and add some white and blue artificial flowers behind the pregnancy test. I figured it would show up best against the pink cap because the keepsake background is going to be blue, so I wanted to give it the best possible chance to show up good. So here I am just sprinkling the blue glitter my customer requested. And then it's time for the baby blue color. As always, I add in a little white to make the baby blue a little bit lighter of a baby blue. If you have liked this video so far, please like and subscribe to see more keepsakes being made and other creative resin items. After 24 hours, it's time to add the white vinyl and to add a top coat to seal in the vinyl and give it a nice shine. This is probably my most favorite part and my least favorite part because I am so impatient waiting for it to be done so I can see the final result. And this is the final look of the keepsake. I hope my customer loves it just as much as I enjoyed making it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you later.